Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you all are good. How was your exams and how was your Christmas vacation? Alright, so today we're going to start our new sum. And the first lesson titled as The Rabbit in the Moon. The Rabbit in the Moon. Before starting the story, all of you look at this picture of the moon. What you can see here?
Which animal's shape can you see in this picture? Observe this picture carefully.
Whenever you get free time, all of you just observe the moon in the sky. And all of you also watch there. You can see the picture of this animal or not. Okay, so shall we start? Once upon a time, an old man named as Yumi lived in the moon. And one day he decided to go to the earth. There he saw three animals. A rabbit, a fox and a monkey. Which are the three animals? A rabbit, a monkey and a fox. And he decided to test these three animals. Actually, Yumi wanted to know which is the most kindest animal in these three animals. Okay, then he decided to go to the earth to test these three animals. Then Yumi reached the earth. For the testing purpose, Yumi changed all his appearance to an poor old man. He changed his dressing, everything to a poor old man. Then he reached the earth. Then he saw these three animals, a rabbit, fox and monkey. Then Yumi told the three animals, I am a poor old man. I am really hungry. I don't have anything to eat. Can you give me something to eat? He was really sad. And by hearing this, all three animals felt sad and they decided to give something to eat to that poor old man. Then all the three animals went to collect some food. And the first animal, that is the monkey, found some fruits. The monkey found some fruits to that poor old man. And the fox found fish to Yumi. And what about the third one? That is a rabbit. Yes, the rabbit told Yumi that I don't have anything to eat. Then the rabbit told that I don't have anything. I don't found nothing. But don't worry, I have an idea. Then what was that idea? Yes, the rabbit told the other two animals that gather some fire and build a fire there. Rabbit told the other two animals, the fox and the monkey, that gather some firewood and just build a fire here. Then I have an idea. Then the two other animals gathered some firewood and they built the fire there. Then the rabbit told Yumi that I don't found anything. I don't have anything. But don't worry, I'm gonna jump to that fire. Then the rabbit told Yumi that I don't have anything. I don't found nothing. But don't worry, I'm gonna jump to this fire. Then and after some time I will be cooked. Then it will be more tasty. Then you can eat me. Then rabbit was ready to jump into that fire. At that particular time, Yumi changed his appearance back. That means he changed his dress from that old man to Yumi. Then suddenly all the three animals got amazed by seeing his appearance. Then he told that I am from moon and I thought I want to test you. I want to know who is the kindest animal in these three. Now I got an answer. Then Yumi told all the things what happened. Then Yumi told the three animals together. You three are very kindest, but rabbit is the most kindest animal because he was ready to jump himself to that fire because he don't found anything. Then he was ready to jump into that fire and he told me that you can eat me. And he said that yes, rabbit was the kindest animals in these three. Then Yumi also told that don't jump in that fire. This is a testing for you. Then Yumi told them that come rabbit, I will drop you in your home. That's why we can see the shape of this rabbit in the moon. Because Yumi kept this rabbit in the moon. As we all know that Yumi is a person from the moon. So if we look carefully into the moon, we can see the shape of a rabbit there. All of you observe this carefully. Okay. All of you take your textbook page number 8. All of you read this lesson for your next class And next continue. Now all of you take your textbook, page number 8. So here you can see the story, The Rabbit and the Moon. So what you have to do is you have to read this lesson continuously, repeatedly 2 or 3 times. Okay, so let's continue this story in the next class. That's all for today. Bye. Dreams is what you not see in sleep. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. Dreams is the thing which doesn't like you. Dreams is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Dreams is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Dreams is the thing that doesn't. Dreams is the thing which doesn't let you. Dreams is the thing which